Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Genau Stride X, a foldable electric treadmill designed for people who want an effective cardio workout without leaving the comfort of home. Home fitness equipment has become increasingly popular, and it's easy to understand why. The ability to exercise whenever you want regardless of weather or gym schedules is a major advantage. The Stride X aims to make that experience simple, practical, and accessible. Right away, the treadmill stands out with its modern and compact design. Unlike bulky fitness equipment that can dominate a room, this model focuses on saving space while still providing a comfortable workout experience. Its folding mechanism makes storage easier, which is especially important for apartments and smaller homes. The treadmill is suitable for a variety of fitness goals. Whether you're taking light walks during the day, increasing your daily step count, or enjoying more intense cardio sessions, the machine provides flexibility for different activity levels. Comfort is another important factor. A stable running surface and thoughtful design help create a more enjoyable workout experience. For many users, consistency is the key to achieving fitness goals, and having a treadmill available at home can make regular exercise much easier. Ease of use is also one of its strengths. The controls are straightforward, making it suitable for beginners as well as more experienced users. Simply start your workout and focus on reaching your personal fitness targets. Another major benefit is convenience. No travel time, no waiting for equipment, and no crowded gym environment. Everything you need is available right at home. Overall, the Genau Stride X offers a combination of practicality, comfort, and everyday usability. For anyone looking to build healthier habits and stay active throughout the year, it's a treadmill that deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your fitness goals in the comments below. See you in the next video.